Just bought this 2021 Honda Accord Sport. It was in a crash on this passenger side right here. This side was damaged. Also the ABS module was damaged. I have to buy a new one because the old one got destroyed. Now the car doesn't start. So I have to replace it and fix these cables that they got damaged in the accident. And after that I have to program the new ABS module so the car can start. So I ended up buying a used one with the plug. My plug just got broke in the bag, so I'm gonna reuse the clip in the bag on this plug. The plug actually didn't get damaged itself. And that's how we're looking. Let me show you the whole car. Also missing this cap right here, already ordered. Hood. This headlight was good. And a front bumper. And the crash bar is good. I have just removed it. And they're replacing the glass that was broken. Interior. Like I say, you just crank because I guess the computer and the ABS module is linked together, and as soon the battery is discharged, you're gonna have to get a new ABS module and program it to the ECU. I'm gonna show you guys the process. Stay tuned.